So guys, OnePlus is finally planning something huge. OnePlus is working really hard on its next upcoming series, which is OnePlus 9 series. Now there are three new smartphones this time in this OnePlus 9 series. These smartphones are OnePlus 9, 9 Pro and OnePlus 9 Lite. Now recently OnePlus has confirmed this time they are paying most attention to its cameras, and all the upcoming OnePlus devices including OnePlus 9 smartphones and OnePlus Nord smartphones will get a huge camera update. Max J, who is a very trusted tipster, has confirmed that OnePlus 9 Pro will be the true flagship from the OnePlus and it will be one of the best smartphones of 2020, and this also means that cameras will get huge upgrade from last year OnePlus 8 series. So let's talk about OnePlus 9 Pro. Now before moving forward, drop a like if this video helps you. It will definitely motivate us to make more videos like this. So guys, this is Sulaiman Khan and let's start. So just a while back, Max J has tweeted and advised us all to be a bit patient because the wait is all worth it. OnePlus will again partner with Sony for a custom sensor just like they did last time with OnePlus 8 series, and that collaboration gave us some really good results. So this time with OnePlus 9 Pro, the results are going to be very amazing. See, camera is something where OnePlus lacks and falls behind Samsung and Apple, but it seems like OnePlus this time really wants to make a change. So camera department sounds strong this time. There is also confirmation on 45-watt wireless charging in OnePlus 9 Pro. Now that's also very interesting as a lot of new devices have started using wireless charging on large scale. This is a premium feature which will be there in OnePlus 9 Pro. That's not it. OnePlus 9 Pro will also support 65-watt fast charging. OnePlus 9 Pro will pack a 6.78 QHD plus 120Hz curved display panel. So if you love curved display panels, this is going to be a treat for you. Recent reports indicate that OnePlus 9 Pro will be the only model in the range to receive an IP68 water and dust resistance rating. Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 will power the flagship, combined with at least 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of UFS 3.1 storage. Now if we talk about the pricing, OnePlus 9 Pro could be priced around $900 to $1,000 or around 60 to 62,000 Indian rupees. So does this pricing make sense for you? Tell us your opinion in comment section. Talking about the release date, OnePlus 9 series will be released around May 2021, which is earlier than usual. So that's it for this video. Share this video with all your interested friends. That's it for today. Hope you have enjoyed a lot. If you do, please do considering subscribing, liking and sharing our channel. Thank you so much.